can just show you this from yesterday. Here I had this trade yesterday, okay? 600 US, 600 that's euro. 600 euro just for trading this particular pair for not a big move, but with a big volume. So this is just selecting. It was after we've been trading together. It was after my appointment. I just went in and took some very high probability trades with a big volume on and just went for 600 there. This I just took before the nightfall here, so it has a negative swap. But my point is, don't go in and hunt those 100 pips a day. Hunt a decent amount. We like to have hunt a decent amount of money. You know, go in for 30 pips a day. 30 pips a day, 150 a week. A good, if you only trade 5 minutes, that is 3,000 a year per month. I don't know if that's enough for you guys, but you have to go for smaller pips and go for higher lots here. But do not over leverage. Do not do that. But go for high, very high potential, high valid setups for the day. And just go for targets that you can achieve. 30 pips is very achievable on every currency pairs. Every currency pairs do the volatility hours around the equity hours here when we trade here in the New York session. That is so doable for you guys. So please focus on lesser pips and more valid setups, and with a little, so you have the confidence, you can put in as bigger lots, you know. So that is the way you can earn confidence. You can earn a little bit more than not chasing the pips. I don't want you guys to all chasing all the pips here. So your profit plan, you have to keep that each and every day when you come into the training room. How many pips do I want to take today? Or even better, how much money do I want to trade? Or if that is too, you know, if you get too emotional about that, then just focus on taking the right setups. Take a snapshot of the setup and put that into your journal, and just learn to do this the same every day. Take a snapshot of the best setups and look how they turn out. And when you're confident in that, you can put trade size on. You can put like 2 standard lots, you can do 5 minis, you can do whatever you like, according to account balance. So you have to do this. You have to make the profit plan for the day. You have to do that. That is the most important thing. The trading plan.